Come on.
Oh.
Just to give you an idea of things.
Oh.
Look at the tension on the right there. So what he's doing is he's grabbing the object, it's in his territory, and he'll try and drown it as big as he can. You see him manoeuvring it, using that big body of his. He's only a young male and he's a very big fella already. He's going to grow bigger than that, this boy. Much bigger. The way he's kicking off.
He would, darling. He really would eat you.
The size of those choppers on in the middle there.
Give the old fence a look at.
It's only a metre deep. He's flying about that fence gate. What do you think? You going or what? Told me.
Take him for a ride, George.